Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how to erase unwanted parts from an image. So to begin, put in your browser magicstudio.com/magic eraser. Press enter. And then from here, you select upload your picture, or you can drag and drop. But for this purpose, I'm going to upload a picture. So you go on your computer, select that image where you want to erase a certain part. For example, select this. Okay, and this highlighted part is what you shall use to erase the unwanted part. For example, if I erase this, highlight it very well, then I click on erase, give it a few seconds. Also ensuring that you have a good stable internet connection to enable the tool do its work. And as you can see, it has removed that part, and then you click here on download. Okay, so of course high resolution and all this, it will tell you to go pro, but you can still click here, download at a low resolution, which still comes well, and download with Magic Studio logo. So our image is here. So this is the image, and in case you don't want this logo, you can always crop out the part so that the image is devoid of the logo of the tool. So that is how you can remove unwanted parts from your image using this AI powered tool called Magic Studio. Thank you.